Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful pencil double slider card for Teachers Day with these handmade paper flowers, and you can just slide the pencil like this and you will get this beautiful handwritten messages. Isn't it a pretty idea to gift your teachers on upcoming Teachers Day? So let's get started. For this we need double-sided tacky tape, any plastic bag, pattern paper, white and craft color sheets, orange archival ink blending tool, some ball tools, groove golf tool, scissor, green color micro bead pearls, embossing pad, black color marker and liquid glue. First I am taking this craft sheet which is having 220 GSM thickness, and from left side I am marking on 9, 18 and 27 centimeters. Now I am just creasing on these markings using my pointed ball tool. Then fold all the creases. And it will look like this. Now I'm taking these two white sheet which measures 8 by 9 centimeters and taking this strip of plastic bag. I got this from Quilling paper strip wrapping bag, and the height of this strip should be covered like this, and the width is approx 1.5 inches. So I have already added double-sided red tacky tape on both the ends, so I'm just removing the liner and connecting the strip like this. It should not be very tight or very loose, so remember this thing, and it can rotate easily. So this is done. Now I will just attach my one white sheet with the top portion of the strip. So I'm just connecting again red tacky tape. If you don't have tacky tape, you can also use any strong adhesive. Fevicol will not work properly with this because sometimes Fevicol peels off from plastic things. So I will not recommend Fevicol for this thing. Now just attaching my white color sheet with this. Now just rotate your sheet, and on other side I will add one more sheet. Now I will just close it, and this folded portion I will tuck it inside. So now it should be work flawlessly. Now I am taking one more piece of tacky tape and just adhering this folded part. So the basic card is ready. Now I'm taking some craft sheet and black color sheets. This craft sheet measures 11 by 8 centimeters. This black sheet is 6 by 8 centimeters, and this is 4 by 8 centimeters, and this is a small pink piece which is approx 2 by 8 centimeters. Now I am just taking some red color paper strips and decorating these black color sheets with these strips just to look like a pencil. Just removing the excess strips. Now taking my craft sheet and connecting this piece with this, cut this craft sheet in a triangle from top so it will like a lead of pencil. Similarly, I am just removing the excess strip from other black strip. I'm just adhering this rubber portion with other part of black sheet, just chopping the corner little bit. Now adding one black color sheet on the tip of the pencil. Removing the excess paper, and the pencil is ready. Now take back your card, just open these white flaps little bit, add glue on this and connect your pencil from top and bottom. So the card is ready. Now we'll decorate it. So here I have already prepared some flowers. I will show you how to cut one piece. So I'm taking this white sheet which measures 3 by 3 centimeters, and this is 120 GSM white color sheet. First I'm just making a rough circle using my scissor. You should not be very perfect while making a circle. Now I'm dividing the circle in 4 equal parts, and then I will divide each part in again 4 equal parts. So we will get 8 equal parts to create 8 petal flower. Now I'm just shaping each petal and creating my flower. So flower is ready. Now I am taking one plastic bag and using orange archival ink, I am just coloring the half portion of the flower from front and back using my ink blending tool. Now just spraying some water so that we can shape it easily. Take embossing pad and using Groove Gold tool, I am just shaping this flower. Groove Gold tool makes your work very easy. Now I'm just rotating the flower and pinching in the center using ball tool. Add little glue and connect the similar kind of flower with this. Now I'm adding little glue in the center and using these green color micro bead pearls, I'm just sprinkling in the center. flower is ready. In the same way I have created some more flowers. Now take back your card. First I'm adhering this pattern paper which is having some same distance lines like a notebook. Since this is related to Teachers Day, so I have thought to attach this kind of paper just to give little studious look. But you can use any kind of pattern paper which you have. Now I am decorating my pencil using this border. This is a paper border. And then I will decorate it using flowers, some die cut leaves and Happy Teachers Day sentiment. Just to give little dimension to the sentiment, I am attaching one cardboard piece on back side of my sentiment. You can also use double-sided foam tape for little dimension. And now I am connecting the sentiment. So the decoration is done. Now here I am taking this 8 by 9 centimeter white sheet. I have just distressed the edge of the sheet using orange archival ink, and now I am writing sentiment using my black gel pen. It takes big heart to teach little minds. Similarly, I am making one more sentiment paper and writing, teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Now just open your greeting card, and on left and right sides panel I will connect these sentiments. Just close your card and a beautiful pencil shaped Teachers Day card is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.